everybody, warm welcome back. Yaje here, super excited to share another gardening video with you. Today I am going to be talking about the different types of amaranths that I have growing in the garden, specifically EFO TETE, EFO SHOKO, and the Caribbean Callaloo. I am going to be pointing out the similarities and differences between these different types of vegetables, and the reason why I wanted to do this is for educational purposes, informational purposes. In case you were wondering, what the differences are, you would know after watching the video, and just in case you were, deciding which one you wanted to plant or grow in your garden, maybe by watching this video it can inform your decision, because I will just share my experiences growing these vegetables, what they are used for, and so on and so forth. If you're new to the channel, hello again. I am so happy to have you here. I am Yaje, and I grow different types of culturally important African vegetables in my garden here in Zone 9A in Houston, Texas. And I am here to encourage everyone to try growing something as a means to improve your health, because when you grow plants, you improve on your emotional health, your mental wellness, and also your physical wellness. Kindly consider joining our tribe by subscribing, like my videos, share my videos, so that we can take that message of growing your own food to a bigger audience. I appreciate your support. Amaranth, EFO TETE, EFO SHOKO, and the Caribbean Callaloo, they are all from the same big family, amaranth. EFO SHOKO, or EFO, is a Yoruba name, Yoruba word for vegetable. So you would hear EFO SHOKO, EFO TETE, EFO something something. There are different types of EFOs, okay? Now, the local name for EFO SHOKO, I am sorry for that plane flying by. I live by NASA, and they always fly by every time you try to record a video, so pardon me. I'm gonna wait. In the meantime, go ahead and subscribe. All right, so we are back. I was saying that EFO SHOKO, EFO TETE, and the Caribbean Callaloo are all amaranths. They come from this big family known as Amarantaceae, and EFO is the Yoruba name for vegetable. So EFO SHOKO is the Shoko Yokoto vegetable, EFO TETE is the Tete vegetable, and then the Caribbean Callaloo. I don't know if Yoruba people have a name for it. So EFO SHOKO is a type of Celosia. It's an edible Celosia, and we have the purple variety. This is purple EFO SHOKO, and then we also have the green one. This is the green EFO SHOKO. These are Lagos spinach. It's known as the Lagos spinach. We have different varieties. Many vegetables always have different varieties. Even the njama that I have, different varieties. Bitterleafs, I have different varieties. These are different varieties of EFO SHOKO, the edible Celosia. I like this vegetable a lot because it attracts very little pests in the garden. So if you're struggling with caterpillars and things, try growing the EFO SHOKO. Extremely fast growing, does well in the heat, all around good vegetable, the EFO SHOKO or the Lagos spinach. And some of you who are looking for the fluted pumpkins and you cannot find, you can substitute the EFO SHOKO in the same recipes that you use ugu in, EFO SHOKO. And then I also have EFO TETE, which is the African spinach, or Amaranthus hybridus, I believe that's the scientific name, growing here. Okay, so this one here, I will show you. In Cameroon, we refer to as green, is TETE. This is EFO TETE, or your regular African green. This is SHOKO, and this is TETE. Look at the differences. Okay, so EFO TETE has more of a mustard type of smell. I'm sorry, I'm hot here. This one, some people don't like. It takes some getting used to, and it can attract pests in the garden. I'm just lucky that I don't have pests going. But EFO TETE is notorious for attracting caterpillars in the garden. Okay, so I don't like growing this EFO TETE. Plus, it has that smell that some people like and some people don't like. I've been trying to get rid of the EFO TETE in my garden, and it's just not going away. It's just not going away. That's because if you allow it to go to seed, it just will spread the seeds all over the place, and then you'll be stuck with having it all the time. So EFO TETE, EFO SHOKO. The other type of green that I have in the garden is another type of amaranth that I have in the garden is what is referred to as Callaloo. That is the Caribbean Callaloo. That one is very soft. You know, you can use it to tenderize other tougher vegetables. You can use it to cook your eru with. You can use it to cook your ugu with. It's just gonna make another vegetable softer, or you can cook it on its own, but just know that it's going to be mushy. This is what is known as Callaloo. They are similar, but they are not the same. Don't know if you can spot the difference, but if you grow them, you will be able to tell that Tete, this is EFO TETE, this one here, look at the stem, and then over here this is Callaloo. See how the stem looks different? Yeah. So those are the different types of amaranths. There are so many different types, but those are the ones I have growing, and I wanted to just point out some differences and some similarities. I hope that this video was useful to you. If it was, if it added any value to you at all, it helps when you give the video a thumbs up. It also helps when you share my videos. I appreciate you all. If you have not yet subscribed, pretty please help me grow by subscribing. If there's something you want me to talk about, drop me a comment. I'm going to look for answers. Even if I don't have them, I will ask around. Thank you for watching, and until next time.